What are you gonna do now?
Get on the monkey bars.
Okay, let me see you do it. You know, you need help? Do you need help?
No.
Let me help you just get on the monkey bar. It's kind of high. Okay? All right, come.
That's the highest one ever.
This is the highest one. All right, do I let go?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
It's kind of greasy.
It's crazy.
It's kind of greasy.
Move over. Move over.
No, I want to just stay over here. Mommy,
What?
I'm scared to be over here.
Okay, so move over. There you go. If you need help, just call me.
I need help.
You got it?
Why?
You need me? Or you got it?
I got it.
Okay. Good job.
Oh my god. It hurts my hand.
Do you want to get down?
Mommy.
Last one.
Mommy! My hands hurt.
Let me see.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, boy. That was awesome. I'm so proud of you. All right, I won't make you do it anymore. Jasmine, thumbs up. Thumbs up? Can I get a thumbs up? Can I get a thumbs up?